Hey, my name is Anna Grace Langley, and for this assignment, I looked at the annual report on Founders Federal Credit Union, and this is located based out of Lancaster, South Carolina. So, even though there was the pandemic of 2020, and that is the report that I looked at for this assignment, there was still growth. Looking at the net loans, there was 110.8 million, and that was a substantial increase. And looking at assets, there was $3 billion. Our members saved $285,000 alone in loans, which was really amazing considering the fact that a lot of people were put out of work during this time. So total benefits were 3.8 billion, and that was also a part of the payment protection program that was installed during this time, since a lot of cyber security problems were at hand, just because a lot of people were at home and out of work, so they were trying to find income in non-ethical ways. Looking over the numbers due to the member loyalty, we can see that our assets, net worth, net loans, and net income all had increases. Even though membership slightly fell during this time, we still see that their other areas were profitable. So there was a record net income of $31.5 million. Our call center had assisted people, and that was 705,000 calls that were taken in for different related issues, whether it be the app that Founders had rolled out, different things with accounts, and also just day to day, transactions. Also, a really cool thing that is in the making with Founders is merging with another local credit union. ArrowPoint is based out of Lancaster, and I do believe that from the report that I read to now, it is installed that they are going to actually merge with ArrowPoint. There's two other federal credit unions that are also going to become a part of Founders, but they haven't released that information yet, according to one of their employees that I got in contact with. Now, the Loyalty Select program was something that also rolled out during the time of the pandemic, and that was for members that have been a part of Founders, I believe, for at least 5 years. And seeing that it's 5.38%, that's a very large dividend that would occur on the amount of money that would be in that set account. So that was something really good that came out of the pandemic as well, was making sure that members that stayed loyal to Founders were definitely, praised and given something for that. And the last fun piece that was on the written report was the philanthropy within the company. $3 million was donated within our community. And so that was amazing because there are things that Founders donates to, such as the local clay shoot, and that goes to support the children's home in Lancaster. Seth's Giving Tree is another amazing thing that Founders is willing to give to. Seth's Giving Tree provides for our community members, the families, and the children that are less fortunate. Another part of Seth's Giving Tree is also Seth's Hope, which gives Christmas to those who may not have something. And then also, Founders allows its employees to take off time to go and volunteer in our community. Promise Neighborhood is a function slash nonprofit where a lot of our community members get together and they pick a home to help kind of restore, whether that be, adding siding to the home or pressure washing the house, or even building a ramp for someone who needs it but doesn't have the access to that. And also, Mad City Money is a thing that Founders is involved in that they actually put on for the different schools of our community. And that's where they go in and talk about different financial kind of pieces to the children so that they are able to understand responsible spending methods, and also just aware of different things that a lot of people aren't fully, cognizant of by the time that they get out of high school. So this was the report that I had. I was super, enriched with learning about just another business within my community and to see what all they've done, and just the fact that they were still able to thrive within the pandemic. Thank you.